Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix your payment method was declined, update it, or provide a new payment method and try again either on your iPhone or iPad. So let's start it without wasting any time. So first of all, what you need to do is just go back to your home screen, and there may be the reason why you are facing this problem. If your date of expiry has been over for your credit or debit card, if this is the case, what you need to do is just update or renew your credit debit card and solve your problem. And if this isn't the case, we have couple of methods to solve this issue. So the very first thing what you need to do is just here open up settings app, and then here in the Apple ID, what you need to do is just here in the password and security, you have to change your password for your Apple ID. So here you have to give your passcode, and then here you have to give your new password for your Apple ID and then verify, and then change from here and check whether the problem has been solved or not. And if not, then from here sign out your Apple ID and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on and sign in with your same Apple ID and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the second method. For that, again here in the settings menu, tap here on your Apple ID and then tap here on media and purchases, and now tap here on view account, and here you have to give your Apple ID, password or touch ID, and from here what you need to do is just tap here on your manage payments. And from here what you need to do is just you have to here make sure that you have entered the correct information about here your payment method, like here CVV number and expiry dates etc. So here in the billing address, make sure that you have entered the correct information about your billing address, especially for the zip code and your state. So after double recheck this, what you need to do is just go back, and here is the purchase history. So tap on this, and from here you have to make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, please remove them or pay for them, and then go back, and after that tap here on country or region, and now tap here on change country or region, and from here you have to select your country carefully from which your credit or debit card is made. So I'm selecting here United States. So here are some terms and conditions, you have to agree to them. Again tap on agree to confirm the process, and here you have to select your payment method, like I'm selecting here at none. So here you have to give your billing address, you can put fake information as well, and here you have to give your state, like I'm giving here my state as California, and then here you have to carefully give your correct zip code for your state. So if you don't know about the zip code for your state, you can search it on any browser like Safari or Google Chrome. But in my case, the zip code for California is 90201, and here you have to give your phone number, you can put fake one as well. So after that tap here on next, and here your billing address has been entered. So after that what you need to do is just tap here on done, and after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.